This is question number 1 in worksheet number 5, finding empirical and molecular formulas of compounds. We are given that we have a hydrocarbon. A hydrocarbon is made of carbon and hydrogen. It is combusted with oxygen to produce carbon dioxide and water. Remember that when hydrocarbons are reacted with oxygen, always carbon dioxide and water are the products. Also, we're given that we have 2.2 grams of a hydrocarbon, which produces 3.36 liters of carbon dioxide at STP conditions. STP means 1 mole of a gas at STP conditions occupies a volume of 22.4 liters. Therefore, 3.36 liters are occupied by how many moles? We can say that our carbon dioxide is 0.15 mole. Putting it back into the equation, our carbon dioxide is 0.15 mole. This means that because carbon dioxide is made of carbon and oxygen, we have 0.15 mole of carbon atoms and 0.3 mole of oxygen atoms in carbon dioxide. 0.15 mole of carbon atoms is actually 0.15 times the molar mass of carbon 12 equals to 1.8 grams of carbon. So, because our carbon in carbon dioxide is coming directly from our hydrocarbon, we can say that 1.8 grams of carbon is the carbon in our 2.2 grams of sample. So, subtract 1.8 grams from our 2.2 grams and we're left with 0.4 grams of hydrogen, which is the other element in our hydrocarbon. This 0.4 grams is also equal to 0.4 moles of hydrogen because the molar mass of hydrogen is 1. We can start writing the formula of our compound now. We know that carbon is 0.15 mole. We can write it in the subscript. We know that hydrogen in our compound is 0.4 mole. We can again write it in the subscript. But we cannot have decimals in the subscript, so the best way to change these to whole numbers would be to multiply first by 100, C 15, H 40, and then divide by a common number like 5. When you divide both subscripts by 5, you get carbon 3, hydrogen 8. This is the empirical formula of our compound. Empirical formula. Thank you for listening.